A baby is staring at you right now, not blinking, not looking away, just locked onto your face with an intensity that makes grown adults feel slightly judged. Most people laugh it off, maybe wave back, maybe make a weird noise hoping something happens. But developmental neuroscientists have spent the last 2 decades trying to understand exactly what is happening inside that tiny skull during those long, unblinking stares. And what they found doesn't just change how you see babies. It changes how you understand consciousness itself. Let's start with the obvious theory. Babies stare because their vision is bad and faces are just the most interesting looking thing nearby. Sounds reasonable. Newborns do have limited visual range, about 8 to 12 inches. Roughly the distance from your arms to your face when you're holding them. But here's the problem with that theory. By 3 months old, babies have enough visual range to look at practically anything in the room. The ceiling, the window, the dog, the pile of laundry in the corner. And they still keep choosing your face every single time. That's not blurry vision. That is a preference. And when researchers started digging into why, what they found in the data was something nobody expected. In 2017, a team at the University of Cambridge published a landmark study in the journal PNAS. They measured neural activity in both infants and adults during face-to-face interaction using a technique called functional near-infrared spectroscopy. What they were looking for was brainwave synchronization. What they found stopped the field cold. When a baby locks eyes with you, their brain waves begin to sync with yours. The same frequencies, the same rhythms, firing across 2 separate brains simultaneously. Your baby isn't just looking at you. They are locking their developing brain onto yours, using your neural activity as a kind of scaffold, a template for building their own. That stare is how human brains teach other human brains how to be human. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Babies don't stare at everyone the same way. Researchers showed 3-month-old infants 2 faces, a stranger's face and their primary caregiver's face. The infants actually looked longer at the stranger. Cognitive scientists call this the violation of expectation response. Babies stare longer at things they don't fully understand yet. The stranger is a puzzle, novel, unprocessed. But the caregiver's face? By 3 months, a baby has already logged thousands of hours processing that face. Every expression, every micro-movement, every shift in tone. When they look at you, they are not confused. They are reading you. By 5 months, babies can distinguish between a genuine smile and a fake one. By 6 months, they track your emotional state and use it to decide how to respond to the world. A process developmental psychologists call social referencing. You look scared, they freeze. You look excited, they reach for the object. You look calm, they explore. That long, unblinking stare is data collection. Your baby is building a real-time emotional map of your face and using it to understand what is safe and what is dangerous. You are not just their parent, you are their nervous system's external hard drive. Now here's the fascinating part. Researchers studying infant brain development found that babies who receive more face-to-face interaction in the first months of life show greater development in the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex is the part of the brain responsible for planning, decision-making, emotional regulation, and complex social behavior. In other words, being stared at and staring back is literally building the hardware that will run your child's mind for the rest of their life. Every time you hold their gaze, every time you mirror their expression, every time you respond to what you see in their eyes, you are not just bonding. You are doing construction work. So the next time a baby locks eyes with you across the room and just stares, remember what's actually happening. Their brain is reaching out for yours. They are using your face to learn how to be a person, how to feel, how to understand what is safe and what isn't. Those big baby eyes aren't just cute. They are one of the most sophisticated social interfaces nature ever created. And when one locks onto yours, the only right response is to stare back. If this changed how you see the babies in your life, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below. And if you want to understand why babies sometimes laugh at nothing, at empty corners or in the middle of the night, that's the next video, and the science behind it is stranger than you think.